Yamaha VMAX, born to roar, built to scare. There are motorcycles. And then there's the Yamaha VMAX. A machine so wild, so brutally powerful, that riders around the world called it the Hell Bike and the Widowmaker. This wasn't just a cruiser, it was a street-legal rocket built for thrill seekers, not the faint of heart. These days, the word Max might make people think of Yamaha's comfy maxi scooters like the TMAX or XMAX, especially popular in cities like Tokyo, Paris, or LA. But for seasoned riders, VMAX still echoes like a war cry. It was big, it was loud, it was borderline insane, and it was beautiful. Launched in 1985, the VMAX broke all the rules. While other cruisers played it cool with chrome and tradition, Yamaha unleashed something futuristic, muscular, and unapologetically aggressive. It didn't just compete, it created its own category, the power cruiser. In 2012, the VMAX even got its Hollywood moment in Ghost Rider, Spirit of Vengeance. Modified to look like it had just blasted out of hell, it fit perfectly alongside flaming skulls and supernatural chaos. Because honestly, it already looked the part. But that Widowmaker nickname? It wasn't just for show. The VMAX was notorious for its raw power and unpredictable nature. It demanded respect and experience. Riders who thought they could tame it without proper skill often found out the hard way. This was a bike that punished hesitation. At its core was a massive 1,679 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing around 200 horsepower. That kind of power isn't just fast, it's ferocious. The throttle responded like a wild animal, and the acceleration? Explosive. Despite weighing over 680 pounds, it could still blast past 160 miles per hour like it was nothing. Of course, Yamaha added premium tech to help rein in the beast. Things like electronic throttle control and advanced intake systems borrowed from racing. But make no mistake, this was still a monster. That's what made people love it. The design was just as bold. Wide tires, muscular lines, LED lights, and a digital analog display setup that looked like something from a fighter jet. It wasn't sleek, it was intimidating. And that's exactly what fans wanted. The price tag reflected its status. In the US, a new VMAX would set you back around $24,000 to $30,000. In Europe and the UK, prices were equally steep. But for those who craved adrenaline and legend status, it was worth every cent. Production ended in 2020 due to emission laws, but the legend never really died. Ask any old school rider in New York, Berlin, or Tokyo, they'll probably have a VMAX story, or at least a poster on their garage wall. Because once you've seen, or heard, a Yamaha VMAX, you never forget it.